Hello, everyone. Miguel here. Welcome to the third episode of Boost Your Business, a series in which I choose random service based businesses and go over their websites in order to show you things that I would do to improve their conversions. The goal of the series is that by seeing me go live over these sites, you can find things that you can apply to your own website and in order to improve your conversions as well. So I already have a search ready for us, and let's go over to Google and let me shrink this here. So the search is for Handyman in Miami. The very first result that we have is Andromeda Handyman Service. Their Google profile looks very nice. They have 81 reviews, 4.7 stars. They have their phone number, directions, website. So this is very good, looking good thus far. So let's come over to their website and let's go over it live. Right away, if you've seen my first two episodes, you know that I love this logo. As you can see, it says Andromeda Handyman Services. So anybody reaching this website or seeing this logo on a business card already knows what they do. They're a handyman service, whether it's a person, a business, or whatnot. They're a handyman service. So I definitely like this logo. I wouldn't change anything about it. And let's see the menu. The menu definitely looks nice. They have the services and they have separate pages for everything. So this is definitely good. One thing right here, you have a lot of empty space. So I'm definitely adding a phone number right here so that people can reach me right away. And here in their hero section, they have a form, which is nice. Once again, they're saying that they're the best handyman in Miami, which is good. So they're staying consistent. The one thing that I would definitely change here is to emphasize more the phone number up here because if I'm a handyman service, then most likely people reaching my website want me to help them with something. And for the most part, most people are not gonna want to fill out a form, wait for you to contact them because it just literally doesn't make sense. Most people are going to call you right away, hey, my door needs to be fixed or my bathroom is leaking or something like that. So it's gonna be more emergency type instead of let me fill out this form and hope that you can contact me in a reasonable amount of time. So that's the one thing that I would definitely change up here, but I actually like it because they're giving you here, you can contact them here. They have the form. So I would just add the phone number to give everyone that extra way of being able to contact me right away without having to fill out any forms or doing anything. Now, this right here, normally when I see this, this is like this is for languages and they only have English. So I would just remove it because it's doing nothing. It's just a button that people may think that they can click just like I did, but it does nothing. It just takes you to the home page. Going down, Andromeda Handyman Service. So once again, they're staying consistent. Like with everything, I'm just assuming that the content is perfect. They have an image here, which is very nice. It looks like a kitchen that they may have done work on. So that's definitely nice. And right here, moving on down, we have the services we provide. Okay, so in this section, I'm definitely not feeling the professionalism right here. And this may be because I'm a web design guy, so it's nothing against them. It's just that you have two columns, one here, one here, but then you have all this empty space right here. You definitely don't want empty space on your website because you want to make good use of all the space that you have. What I would do right here is I would either center the two columns so that there's not so much empty space right here. Or I would add a third column and just add more services. So they have one, two, three, four, five, six. So I would just add the two services that are not here on this section right here. And that's pretty much it. This section is it's actually not bad. It's just kind of like something to make it look nicer. So moving on down, we have the gallery and we have images. Very nice, very nice. They have a lot of images. This is good because they're showing their work. The one thing that I would definitely improve is I would add more higher quality images because looking at some of these, as you can see on my screen, they're kind of blurry, and that's not something that looks professional. So I'm definitely going to add some oomph by using higher quality images. Like say this one, you can clearly see everything. I mean, I may clean things up, just me, but since they're a handyman, it may actually be good to show all the tools and to obviously show that they were working there. But I would definitely improve the quality and resolution of most of these images. So now moving down, they have their Google reviews. We actually have literally the same plugin on our website, so I really like it. They're basically showing people, real people, um, basically the opinions of real people, the reviews that people have left on their Google profile. So this is definitely nice. I recommend every business that's providing a service to show their reviews so that people can connect with them. So moving on down, we have contact us, the hours 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., contact information. So they have their address here, but it's not clickable. So I would definitely make this clickable so that if anybody is on their cell phone, even on their desktop, they click on it, it takes them directly to Google Maps and they can get directions to go into to my place because they're showing the address. So obviously they're able to receive incoming traffic. So I would definitely make that clickable. And let's see, so they have the phone number down here. So they're not hiding the phone number. I'm definitely adding it up here. And let's see. So they have the email, the website. This is actually not needed. They're already on your website, so they don't need to know, your website URL. This right here, I'm definitely changing because right here, this is kind of like a random map and you can't, let me see. I guess you can click on some of these things and so these are like random spots on a map. I'm definitely changing this to actually show where my location is. So wherever their location is, that's what I'm showing over here. So basically this address here, this is what I'm showing here. I'm not going to show a bunch of random spots on a map that have nothing to do with my actual location. Now, they may be actually trying to show the areas that they service. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely having a red spot here where I'm showing the actual location where I am located, which in this case is 3131 Northwest 49th Street. Going down in their footer, they just have pretty much no information. So one thing that I would do right here on the footer, I would just add some of these navigation links down here in the footer. So a lot of times people get to the bottom of a website and they're still not sure what to do. And by having the links to your services, you could get them to go to a separate website, I mean, to a separate page on your site, and hopefully get them to contact you and become a client. So going back to the top, this is probably, or not probably, this is the best site that I reviewed, of the three that I've done, this is by far the best. They've only missed a couple of things. So basically, and the main thing is just having that phone number right here. That's definitely going to improve their conversions, because more people are definitely going to contact them if they show the phone number. Outside of that, having higher quality images, using better, making better use of their white spacing, and that's pretty much it. This website is actually not too bad. This one has actually impressed me the most out of the three. So that's pretty much it for this one. And if you have a website that you'd like me to review, whether it's yours or somebody that may have some questions about their website, let me know. You can reach out through my website at uniquewebdesigner.com, or you can just leave a comment on this video. So until next time, Unique is out.